Hi guys, good morning and good evening. So this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. So it's been a few days since I upload some videos. And right now we're on the way to San Carlos City.
It's because she's been lazy.
Yeah, I've been not feeling good. My body hurts and I just have a lot of bad experience. I mean, myself, I failed so bad, and
Because you've been overdoing it with this renovation and everything.
yeah, and I've been so stressed also about the house renovation and just not able to do it. And right now we're on the way to San Carlos because we're gonna buy some more materials. We're gonna buy some roof paint. Hopefully that they have some colors that we like.
As long as it's not dark, it's fine.
Yeah, we don't like dark colors on our roof because it's
Make it too hot.
make it too hot for our house.
We're doing everything to make it cooler. I sort of want to do something to make it
Yeah.
hotter.
And it's Monday morning here in the Philippines. Virgil is already there in the school, and my friend Bastion will gonna go there on lunchtime because maybe we're gonna be finish late today because we have a lot of things that we need to do for the house materials.
Yeah, don't let me forget I need to get some receptacles,
Yeah, we need to get some receptacles, outlets. So hopefully guys, our house will be finished soon because we've been stressing a lot, right?
Yeah.
Because it's every day that we need to think what we need to do, and house materials are getting so expensive, and hopefully it will be finished soon this month, and hopefully they will be finished soon so that we are able to save money again for this coming December in our community, right?
Yeah.
Because we would like to help our community this coming December, Christmas. So hopefully things are get better to us and also to you guys. I really do appreciate for always being with us and for always watching my videos. So hopefully that everything turns good to us and to you all. And we're gonna go to the City Hardware also later to get more materials, and also we're gonna buy some roof paint. And I'm gonna show you right now the traffic here this morning, so stay tuned. So this is the road this morning. It's been busy. It's 9 a.m. in the morning here, and the road is so busy right now. About 15 minutes we'll be in San Carlos. 10 to 15 minutes. And first is we need to go to the bank because we are no money.
Yeah, we're broke.
We're broke. Hopefully that not busy today. As you can see, it's lots of vehicles going to work and school. Sanad.
That truck I just passed is the one that passed in a curve.
Yeah, that's not safe. one of the vehicle here that we passed, he passed in the curve area here, and it's really not safe. It's really dangerous.
Yeah, it was uncalled for.
Yeah. Last month, guys, we have a lot of challenges in our family because we have a lot of things that we're not expected that it happens, especially our tires. We bought a new tires because it worn out, right?
Yeah.
We not expect that, and we're not expecting that broke so soon, so it's killing our budget for our renovation. So you know the things are, we don't know what we'll do the next day, so we're just, that's what life is. You just need to be stay positive and look the bright side, right?
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, at least we are safe. That's the important, that we are safe, we are healthy, and we still have food to the table.
Yeah.
So when our house will almost finish, I'm gonna do some videos for that, and what is the look, what is the final look on it. And I was excited, I am excited also.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I really do appreciate all of you guys for being with us, especially on this time that we're very tight, right?
Yeah.
It's really a big help to us. Only God knows how thankful we are, how blessed we are that we have friends out there that being with us always, all the time. God will replace a million times and blessed for all the generosity. And we will try our best also to help other people's, right?
You know, we
In
always
times.
do.
Yeah.
It's not just Filipinos. We've got Americans.
Yeah, even though,
We got foreign friends.
yeah, all our friends, I mean neighbors, even though Americans or all, or if they need our helps, we try our best, right?
You
So
know, we don't, if we can, we don't deny them.
yeah.
Yeah, that bicycle got plenty of space.
So that's the road traffic this morning.
You know, I believe those other cars were bad because they were so noisy in the highway cars.
Yeah.
They were noisy from day one.
Yes.
Listen how quiet these are.
I just want to do a short video this time, so on my next videos I'm gonna show you the progress of our house. I'm just been busy and not feeling good, so I'm not been doing some videos lately.
Those other cars would roar at highway speeds.
Yes. It's another beautiful day here in the Philippines. Sunny day. Another hot day here.
You can tell money is thin because since we've owned this van, we've never had the gasoline this low.
See guys, we are broke because our gasoline is almost empty.
We've never let it
Oh
get.
yeah, only this time that our gasoline is almost empty. So
it's
it
empty.
means that we're really broke, Daddy.
Usually we keep it at a half.
Yeah, mostly all the time we put it in the half, only the half tank, right? And mostly it's almost full. So this time almost empty. Soon we'll be pushing in the road in our van.
Yeah.
So that's what life is, you know. Have hard times, but you need to stay strong for all the challenges in life. You need to stay strong, right? Just stay positive and still smile, right? Life is too short. So I think that's all for today, guys. That's all for this morning. So I'll see you again on my next video. I just want to show you the road traffic this morning and also our plan for our house. So I'll see you again on my next video. I'm gonna do some videos on our house progress, on house renovation. So thank you again for watching and God bless us all. I see you again on my next videos.